Let's talk about the future of generative AI in data and how it's going to reshape the way we work with, manage, and understand information. Generative AI has already made a huge impact on how we create content, generate images, and write code. But when applied to data workflows, it can go even further. We're talking about a new generation of tools that can not only analyze data, but also generate datasets, pipelines, documentation, dashboards, and even business insights. Imagine a world where instead of manually building a data pipeline, you describe the business question in natural language, and an AI system builds the ingestion flow, transformation logic, and even the data model automatically. That's not sci-fi, it's where we're heading. Let's walk through some of the most powerful future use cases of generative AI in the world of data. 1. Generating synthetic data. Generative AI can create synthetic datasets that mimic the structure and statistical properties of real data. This is useful for testing, simulation, privacy-safe training, or filling in gaps where real data is sparse or sensitive. 2. Auto-building ETL/ELT pipelines. Using AI agents and prompt-driven interfaces, data teams will be able to describe transformations and ingestion tasks in plain English, and the system will generate dbt models, Spark jobs, or SQL scripts that are production-ready. 3. AI-generated dashboards and reports tools like Copilot for BI will evolve into full generative platforms. Ask a question like, "Show me revenue trends by region over the past 12 months," and the AI not only generates the chart, but also writes the narrative insights. 4. Self-documenting data products. Generative models can read your pipeline logic, data models, and schemas, and automatically produce technical documentation, glossary terms, and onboarding guides. 5. Generative interfaces for data exploration. With conversational UIs, users won't have to know SQL or Python. They'll simply ask, "Which product had the highest margin growth last quarter?" and receive a query, result, and explanation, all in seconds. 6. AI for governance and compliance. Generative models will help draft and enforce data access policies, detect schema violations, generate audit summaries, and keep your data environment compliant with evolving regulations. Insert Canva image, 1920x 1080, grid of icons with AI generating, synthetic data, pipeline, dashboard, documentation, policy. Title, Generative AI in Data Workflows. These applications won't just save time. They'll unlock data access for more people across the organization, from business users to executives. And that leads us to the most important point, data democratization. The future of generative AI in data is about breaking down barriers, making data usable, understandable, and actionable by anyone, regardless of technical background. The analysts of the future will be part data experts, part prompt engineers. It won't replace the role of the data engineer or architect, but it will augment it. Teams will move faster, errors will shrink, and data products will be more intuitive and adaptive than ever. Thanks for watching Big Data Now. In our next video, we'll explore what it means to build a fully generative data stack from ingestion to insight,